listen, I have nothing against, like I said, you know, brand new cars. But don't you think, okay, let me ask you a question. Don't you think it will be more feasible? Don't you think it will be much better, okay, to give you, okay, something you can maintain while you're in school, okay, while you have your little job, and just like, you know, manage your monthly bills instead of giving you something expensive that's going to drain out your pocket?
Yeah, you're right.
Answer truthfully.
That'd be more money on me, to be honest. And I like money. I can't be spending on. But at the end of the day, right? It's like I can always like get the cheapest version.
Honey,
of the
you
BMW.
say you like money. Just make sure that money doesn't control you. You control money. Understand?
I understand.
Okay, don't be running after the money. Let money run after you. Understand?
Quote of the day.
Yes, don't run after it. Make it run after you by using your brain, and just like always innovate, always try to create new things, always be creative, and just come up with a plan. But the time for the right car will come at the right time, okay? But for now, the basic.
No Toyota.